last day of 2024 making some lean improvements in my the cave where I spend a lot of time doing home maintenance stuff. And I thought, rather than go really quickly and show you, as I usually do, some of the improvements I've made, I thought I'd take you through a bit of a tour. As you know, I love cloth tape, so watch out for the cloth tape improvements. So here is the section of my workshop or my garage where I keep all of the things that are necessary to keep my home well maintained. So what I've done today is I've basically gotten these foil containers for $3.50 from the supermarket. I've screwed them in and I've put one type of thing in each one. That's the Velcro one. I've got one for double-sided tape. I've got the felt tabs and the super glue, etc. And what I've done is try to keep stock behind, so when it runs out I can see and then go and buy a new one, oven bulbs, etc. So I'm pretty happy with that upgrade to the shelf today. I'll see how it goes. I never thought of using these tinfoil, but so far so good. Another lean improvement that I really like is what I did with this extension cable. So every time I was going to use the extension cable, it was all tangled up. So what I did is I just got 2 points at which to wrap it around, and now I just wrap it around there every time and it's always ready to go. Over on this side of my workshop, I guess I'll start off with my tape. So obviously my tape is what I use for almost all of my lean improvements. Right here is my precision workboard, so if the kids need their iPads fixed or their phones, etc., I use this station here. It's a microfiber cloth that is stapled onto a chopping board, and that is my precision work station. I've got all of my air compressor accessories over here. So the air compressor lives just down here, and I use it for a number of things, including keeping my workshop nice and clean. So there's the end of it, and of course I have the manual and etc., all the details right where I need them in case I do need them. Under here, this is where I keep everything. Blue is spanners and sockets and wrenches, and then everything yellow is related to drill accessories. So that's how I keep that organized. Hey guys, I'd be curious to see how you manage your tie-down travel straps, your tie-down straps. This is what I do. I roll them up and I put a bit of cloth tape around them. That way they're ready to go. All I need to do is peel off the cloth tape and they're ready to go, and they're not tangled up. So that's how I manage them. When I'm traveling, it's super handy. I just grab them out of the bag and then tape them up at the end. I'd be curious to see how you do it. That's my lean improvement for organized travel straps. Let me show you here. This is what I do to keep my things charging. So I always have the charger for my small drill just ready to go to plug it in here. So it's always quick and easy to charge. Shadow board, everything is shadow boarded, almost everything. So that way I know if one of the kids or the family members take one of the tools, I know that it's gone. What else can I show you? Oh, this is the garage door opener. I just give it a bit of Velcro, so whenever I go for a bike ride or I need to open it from here, I just use the garage door opener. Obviously everything's labeled, so I know what type of petrol, whether it's 2-stroke or unleaded. Oh yeah, this is my bin. So the dog was getting into the bin, so what I did is I put an Oki strap around the bottom and a bolt here and a bolt on the other side, and that just keeps this lid tightly on. And in addition to that, standardize the spot where it's located, so whenever it's moved I just know where to put it back there. And I've sealed off the bottom of this bit of a makeshift room in the garage here that I built, and so I just seal off some of the things with tape. That's got a cable running through it just to keep it safe. Yeah, so I'm sure there are a few other things that I could show you, but if you ever have to change the toe ball on the Prado, it's always super stressful finding the part, the spanner that undoes that part and the spanner that undoes that. So what I've done is created a kit right here, and the kit has the important pieces. This piece that goes in like that and slots in there, and then this spanner, which is the correct spanner, it goes like that and goes in there. This part is the toe ball, which is zip tied on, and what I've done on the back is just added some spare zip ties so that I can reattach it when necessary. So there it is, the Prado tow hitch setup kit. I've also been at it again with the skewer and the plastic bag. So this is just a simple system to dispense the plastic bags for the bin right below there. Just a barbecue skewer with some zip ties. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great 2025. Happy New Year, and looking forward to seeing all of your lean improvements in 2025. Catch you later.